Hey there, Google Sheets enthusiasts. Welcome back to another tutorial where we make your spreadsheet game stronger than ever. Today, we're tackling how to link sheets in Google Sheets for 2025. If you've ever struggled with managing data across multiple sheets, this is your go-to guide. Linking sheets allows you to pull data from one sheet to another seamlessly, saving you time and reducing errors. Let's dive right in. First things first, why link sheets? Imagine you're working on a budget spreadsheet with one sheet for expenses and another for summaries. Linking them means changes in one place update everywhere automatically, super efficient. To get started, open Google Sheets and create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one with at least 2 sheets. Step 1. Identify the sheet you want to link from. Let's say it's sheet 1 with your data. Now, go to the sheet you want to link to, like sheet 2. In a cell, type the formula equals IMPORTRANGE, spreadsheet underscore URL, sheet 1, A1, Z10. Replace spreadsheet underscore URL with the actual URL of your spreadsheet, and sheet 1, A1, Z10 with the range you need. For example, if you're linking the whole sheet, use sheet 1, A, Z. Don't forget, Google Sheets might prompt you to allow access between sheets for security reasons. Click Allow Access. When it pops up, that's crucial. Once done, your data should appear like magic. But what if you run into errors? Common issues include incorrect URLs or range names, so double-check those. Also, ensure both sheets are in the same Google account or properly shared. For more advanced linking, you can use query or filter functions to manipulate data on the fly. This is perfect for 2025's updated features, which include better real-time collaboration. There you have it. Linking sheets in Google Sheets is straightforward and powerful. Try this out on your next project and watch your productivity soar. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.